Hi everybody, it's Jeff and Nikki from Nightshade Nook Decor. So we are getting ready to pour some new coasters today. We are using a Wisebond Deep Pour Epoxy, and we are using, is that the Wisebond Sakura Pink?
It is. Wisebond Epoxy and Wisebond Colors.
So this is a new color. We haven't used this one before, and we're actually making this for a family member of ours who has breast cancer. And as I used to work for American Cancer Society doing Making Strides Against Breast Cancer, we thought this would be a great thing to give her as a gift. Also a great thing to, you know, if these turn out the way we like, we're probably going to make a bunch more, put them on our website, and donate some of the proceeds to Making Strides Against Breast Cancer. So I'm hoping, I mean, so far I'm loving the color. I think that's very stridey pink. I don't know what you think about it.
I don't know. I think maybe it needs more pink.
You think?
Well, it seems like it has a lot of pearlescence in it.
It does. It does.
I can actually see. So you can see the pearlescence in the powder.
Oh, yeah.
See how it looks? Got that white color.
Mm-hmm.
So I want it to be a little darker.
Well, I'm definitely not anti more pink. I like pink. So I think this will be a great project. I can see this going in many different directions. But you had me with sold with the breast cancer stuff. I like it. I mean, you can definitely add more pink. I'm not gonna argue if that's what you're thinking.
Mm-hmm. It's hard to tell because the pearlescence is floating on top, but I think we're good. I don't want to get it too dark.
Okay. So I will meet you down at the board. So here we have, oh, I'm gonna guess. Is this oak?
Yeah.
So we have an oak live edge piece in here. We're using the Exotherm Custom Design hdpe coaster form. And I think this is going to be a great project. I like that pink. You know, it does have some pearly in it, but I'm okay with that.
Yeah, it does have a lot of pearl in it.
That's okay, pink and pearls. Works for me.
It looks like we're going to need a little, maybe not. Maybe it should be okay, because we can plane the wood down. We'll have to see how far it drops, because it's obviously going to drop when it goes around the board.
I like it. I think these are going to be great. So we'd also gotten, we picked up some of the Making Strides decals and stuff, so we're going to put those, I believe, on the wood portion when you go to do the seal coat or flood coat.
Somewhere, yeah, we'll have to see how they fit, but yeah, we're going to put the little strides, or the cancer awareness ribbon on there before we seal them, so they actually become part of the coaster.
I think she's going to love them. I think this was one of your better ideas. Yeah, I like that color.
And I don't think we'll spoil the surprise, because I do not believe she's watching.
Yeah, I haven't seen her see any of the any of our posts, actually.
Yeah. So I do not.
But
really
she's been
worried.
busy with moving and going to the doctors and stuff.
Right. I'm not too worried about her spoiling the surprise here, because, like I said, I really don't think she watches our videos.
I like that. I like the way you swirled it up. I think that's very, very cool because it kind of looks ribbonesque to me.
Yeah, I think I want to add a little more epoxy though.
Yeah?
Because this backside isn't filled up yet, so it's definitely gonna drop.
Okay.
But I'm good. I'm all done here. Go ahead and.
All right. So I think this is going to be a great idea. Obviously, we're not going to find out how they look for, oh, it's deep pour epoxy, so maybe a week.
Yeah, it'll be a week before you see this project again.
And then we'll obviously do the video when we're doing the seal coat or the flood coat on them, and then we'll end up delivering them and see how it goes. If it turns out like I think it will, which would be great, then we're going to put a bunch of these up onto the website. And I think that's just would make a great, you know, gift for a survivor or someone who was just diagnosed. And I love the idea of giving back to MSABC. All right. So thank you guys for watching. And you guys have a great day. Don't forget to like and share our posts. And we'll talk to you later.